Cool. So here we are. I want to do the first free response problem. We want to get the acceleration of the system. Now, we've done this problem quite a few times, so I really want to go through this fairly quickly. So for this mass here, let's just do the normal force, the weight, and the tension. And then for this little dude here, we've got the tension and the weight. And you know what? I'm going to call this big M and little m here. And what I want to do is let's just be careful and let's just actually move. Ooh, so that's all stuck together. Never mind. So we're kind of stuck having that there. Now let's set up our equation. So for this little thing here, we're going to have unbalanced forces, which means tension makes the big mass accelerate. And of course we have normal balancing the weight. And then for this dude here, since we define our sign convention as this is positive, that makes this weight force positive. So we have weight of the little guy minus tension makes the little mass accelerate. So let's just plug in what numbers we have. So we know that tension equals 4 times A. We have that the weight, which is going to be 1 times 10 minus tension equals 1 times A. So we actually have two equations we need to solve. We're going to have tension equals 4A, 10 minus T equals A. And I'm going to actually let you do the work of figuring out this algebra. And when you do, you should get an acceleration of 2 meters per second squared. And since the mass is going to fall 1 meter, let's actually calculate that time. So we have x equals 1/2 at squared plus v naught t plus x naught. Now our acceleration is no longer gravity. It's this acceleration here. We have no initial speed. Our initial position will be 0. So we'll say that 1 equals 1/2 times 2 times t squared. When we solve for t, we're actually getting 1 second to fall. So that's kind of a good start to this problem. And since we're going to assume backwards is the downwards direction, that means our graphs are going to look like this, which you should have memorized from our graph that I actually gave you on your study guide. So this is basically a quick view of the first problem. If you need more help, I do want you to make a little bit of time to come and see me.